With regard to route of administration, liquid preparation can be broadly classified into internal use or external use. So for internal use are for products that we take into our body, as an example through oral routes or inhalation route, or maybe also through injection. Okay, those that will be taken into our body is considered as internally used. For external use, it's for product that is used on the surface of our body. As an example, maybe the liniment. Okay, liniment is a type of alcoholic or medicated oil that is applied on our skin for the treatment of pain or something like that. So we will have a separate lecture on external liquid preparation. Okay. So there are different types of product that can be used for internal application. Actually, there are many pharmaceuticals being formulated for internal use. Okay, as an example, powders, tablets, syrup solutions, and capsules. Okay, and also inhalers, and also the other one here is ampoules and vials. So these ampoules and vials are used for injections, and we will discuss this more in FAR 222 in your second year. Powder and tablets and also capsules are considered as solids. Okay, so you will have a separate lecture on solid preparation. And for this lecture, basically we will discuss on liquid preparation only. Okay, so let's focus on oral dosage form. Okay, for oral dosage form, it can broadly be classified into liquid and solid preparation. So the liquid oral dosage form can be divided into either monophasic or biphasic. What does it mean by monophasic and biphasic? So it means that monophasic mean one phase. Okay, everything is soluble. So this will refer to solutions. Okay, so as I explained earlier on, there are different type of solution. We have elixir, we have linctus, we have draught, we have draft, we have drops. Okay, and we have syrups. Okay, what are the difference between these dosage forms? We will discuss a bit after this, but if you want to know more, I would strongly suggest you to look for it, okay, and read a bit more on the differences between these 6 preparations. So for biphasic, it means that the preparation has 2 phases. So for solid and liquid, it will be, as an example, suspension or mixture. Okay, because the solid that is not soluble in the carrier will be like will contribute as the second phase, okay, in the preparation. So because there's solid and liquid, so we will say that there's 2 phases or biphasic. And for liquid and liquid, as an example, the emulsion, we have oil as the liquid and water as the liquid. Both are being mixed and transformed into an emulsion, but there's still 2 different phases actually in the product. So say the product is biphasic, but it is liquid in liquid. Okay, so I assume that you have already some prior knowledge that you know from your reading. Okay, at least from your reading. Okay, so you should know already there's 3 different state of matters. So we have liquid, solid, and gas. Okay, for this lecture specifically, we will focus on liquid. So because it's liquid, so the product is not in the form of solid and is not in the form of gas. So you have to be able to identify that this product is liquid by looking at the state of the preparation. I think you should be able already, you should know already, even before this, the difference between internal and external. And also, you should already know about solubilization. It means that how to solubilize powder in water. Okay, so for lesson for today, we will discuss more on the internal liquid preparation. So for the purpose of defining these terms, okay, so we will have a look about on the definition of each word, and then we will see the definition of the three words as a whole. So internal is actually meant to be something existing within the limit of the body, applied or intended for application through the stomach by being swallowed. So this is one way of explaining internal, but actually for internal preparation it also covers the administration through other routes such as inhalation and injection. Liquid means capable of flowing free like water, so it's neither solid nor gas. And preparation means something that is prepared, specifically a medicinal substance made ready for use. So it means that the product is being prepared for direct use. So internal liquid preparation is actually a pharmaceutical preparation which is neither solid nor gas, containing medications intended to be used inside the body and being administered orally. So this is the general definition of internal liquid preparation. Okay.